guys, and welcome to my channel Learning Process, and I am Hema. And if you are new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and if you are already subscribed to my channel, then click on the icon so you get notification every time I upload a video. So in today's video I am going to do a desk makeover, and as you can see, and I want to do it from so long, and decided that yes, let's do it. And I do it on a very low budget. I don't spend too much of money on that, and I keep my decks very minimal. So let's begin the decks makeover. First of all, I am closing my box open area with help of tape. Now I am cutting one of its side by using scissor or cutter. This is how we get a box which has open portion. Cover the box with wrapping paper. Wrapping paper can cost you around 50 rupees or $1. Place the things that are important but you want to hide. Flip it and place some paper clips with help of glue gun. Add colored stones on those clips for attractive look. Your clipboard is ready. This is optional. You can attach lace on side of box for making it more interesting. I did that and it looked really amazing. Now take printout of some interesting lines and pictures and glue it on glitter sheet and cut it in square sizes. Add these amazing lines or pictures to your clipboard. Total cost of this DIY might be less than 200 rupees. For second DIY, I used waste end of duct tape and thin cardboard sheet. Firstly, attach both of them together by using glue gun and cut out the extra cardboard from sides. Now take piece of fabric and attach it. I use glue gun for doing that, and this makes the DIY more effortless. Once it covered completely from inside and outside, take 3 flowers and glue them to bamboo stick. Also attach lace to this fabric bowl. Place them to fabric bowl that we just created. In this way, beautiful flower decorative piece is ready. Total cost of making this DIY is around 100 rupees only. For third DIY, I took a pencil holder which are available in local shops. Firstly, I cover it with fabric sheet with help of glue gun. Links will be provided in the description box to all the material that I used in this video. Then I attached two white lace vertically for making it interesting. The cost of making this DIY is less than 100 rupees. Overall cost is less than 500 rupees. Unbelievable, right? Here is the final look. I hope you really like this my Desk Makeover video, and I hope you get inspired from my video and you will definitely try this out. And if you really like this video, then you can share to some student or some people who work from home. This video will be very helpful for those. And comment down below what other makeovers or anything related you want to see in upcoming videos. And if you have any kind of suggestions or any video request, then go ahead and comment below. And also let me know if you like any of these DIYs that are shown in this video. You can follow my channel on Facebook, Google Plus and Instagram, and keep watching and keep loving my channel. Thank you and bye.